Solve the following equations. First one, x minus 2 is equal to 7. Solution: x minus 2 is equal to 7. Here minus 2 put here, plus 2, here also plus 2. Plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled. X is equal to 7 plus 2, 9. Second one, y plus 3 is equal to 10. Y plus 3 is equal to 10. Plus 3 here, so put here minus 3, here also minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 get cancelled. Y is equal to 10 minus 3, 7. Third one, 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. 3 by 7, put here minus 3 by 7 plus x, 17 by 7 as it is, minus 3 by 7. 3 by 7, 3 by 7 gets cancelled. X here, take LCM. LCM is 7, 7. 7 is the LCM. 17 minus 3. X is equal to 17 minus 3 becomes 14 by 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. Therefore, x equal to 2. Fourth one, 6x is equal to 12. 6x is equal to 12. Here put here 6, 12 by 6. 6 get cancelled. X is equal to 6 1 is 6, 2 is 2.